Hello, artists. It's back. I told you guys I would let you know when my Fields of Sunshine set would be available again from Earthberry Pastels. If you have followed me, you know I love Earthberry Pastels for so many reasons. So I want to share a little bit with you about how you can get the set and how you can get 10% off. Their packaging is fantastic. Their product and their colors are rich and vibrant and buttery. And this is the set that I curated for them. I was honored that they asked me, and I specifically chose colors that would represent bright, happy fields, beautiful sunshiny days, and lots of other types of paintings as well. And here you can see one of the paintings that I created using exclusively this set of pastels. Happens to be the box cover for the packaging as well. And I have other lessons here on my YouTube channel where I use just this set, the Fields of Sunshine set from Earthberry Pastels. Thank you to so many of you who have already purchased the set. They've offered it twice and it's sold out both times, so I'm happy to know they have it available again. My set also includes 2 of their chameleon colors. You guys know I love purple, but Earthberry has these chameleon pastels that are fascinating. They change color when you rub them, literally like magic. I also like to share that Earthberry pastels are non-toxic. Even their packaging is made with earth-friendly materials. So this video is just to give a shout out about this set being available again. I'll have all of the information about how to purchase in the description of this video. And I just can't brag enough about not only the quality of these pastels, but the beautiful family that owns this business as well. All right, everyone, hope you get your set soon. And as always, God bless and happy painting.